bangi na po siya, oh. Tapos salamin lang siya. May local na bata dito, guys. How much is this? We're here, the cable car. Oh my God. Yung cable car na yan, pupunta kami doon sa pinakadulo. But anyway, there you go. This is the lake. Wow, that's so beautiful. Okay. So, ito yung waterfalls yun na. Yung chandelier. Hello, hi mabuhay! This is me, Tiara Bernales, and welcome back to my channel! So, isang vlog na naman pong magaganap. Kaya naman, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, baka naman, pakihit na rin po ang bell icon below para po ma-notify po kayo sa bawat vlog-vlogan kong magaganap. Maraming salamat po! So, ayan na guys. Ito yung first stop namin. First destination namin. Yung kanilang mosque dito. So, there you go. Makikita mo dyan. Parang, ano lang siya. Parang sa Dubai ka lang. Maraming ganito sa Dubai actually. So, parang nasa Dubai ka lang. So, ito po yung aming first destination here sa aming tour. So, let's go inside. Punta na tayo sa loob.
Mosque 783, second mosque for Caucasian, first mosque for Durban city, for Tajikistan.
Actually guys, pinapasuot kami ng ganyan as a sign of respect para pumasok tayo doon. Lahat ng mga babae ko na papasok sa loob, dapat nakaganto siya, hindi kita yung mga balat. Kaya, ayun, pinasuot kami ng ganito. Tapos siya, yung, yan, pinasuot siya ng blue kasi maiksi ang kanyang palda. Ayan na guys, pag pumasok kayo, yung sapatos nyo, lalagay nyo dyan. Kailangan nakamedyas or nakapaalang kayo kasi punong-puno siya ng carpet over here. As you can see, ayan siya guys. Wow. Ang lalaki ng mga chandelier nila, oh. Ganda guys. Ay, yung ceiling nila, oh. May mga naka-opit pa at saka ano, ang ganda talaga. Ganito pala, first time ko makapasok sa mosque. Kasi sa Dubai, hindi. Siyempre, natatakot akong pumasok, baka masita tayo. So, ayun. Apakaganda. First time ko makapasok sa mosque, ha? In fairness. Ang ganda. Look at this. Yung chandelier. Ang ganda. 360 na. Ganda, oh. At this point guys, in this area, we decided to stop over kasi makikita mo yung grabe yung look at that, di ba? Ang ganda ng tanawin, super ganda. Kaya sabi namin, mag-stop over muna tayo para at least kahit paano makapag-take ng pictures there kasi sayang yung ganda ng area talaga. Kasi actually hindi ito stop over ng mga pupuntahan namin. Wala to sa list. Pero pina-stop over namin dito kasi nga sayang yung look niya. Tingnan mo naman, it's heaven, 'di ba? It's worth it na mag-stop kami dito kasi nga ang ganda ng area. Guys, if you really love this scenery, yung mga ganitong eksena na makikita nyo sa mismong yung dalaw nyong matang makakakita, nako, maganda dito sa Azerbaijan. Tiyak na mag-i-enjoy kayo sa trip na to. We are so blessed guys kasi nga yung panahon nakikisama din sa trip po namin. Ang ganda ng panahon, look at the skies, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda. Tapos hindi siya ganun kainit, hindi siya makulimlim. Talagang nakisama sa amin yung panahon. Kaya ang dami naming pictures na magaganda dyan. Kasi ang ganda yung tipong masisinagan ka sa araw, yung ganun. Ang ganda ng skies, blue na blue. There you go. Nandito na kami sa 8 beautiful waterfalls. Sa ito, tingnan nyo. Grabe, na-preserve nila to.
Nasıl? Bunların da şoförü erdiği yapı restoranda faiz tutacağım. Bunlar abi değil abi.
May mga soap din sila, banana soap. Mga bags, local bags. Ayan may pogi. Mga honey.
Raspberry, cherry, blackberry, blueberry. Tasa.
Video, photo.
Photo daw. Photo daw.
And from down with it. So I never take no. Actually, I'm ready to take. We don't have not one picture together. I take his and he takes mine. Video or photo? It is very.
Wow, look at this. It's very beautiful. Look at that.
Really?
Yeah. We're going up there. Diyos ko. Tingnan nyo naman yung galing kami dyan. Until there. See, meron pa doon pa. So, let's go, guys.
What are you talking?
Let's go. I'm vlogging. Let's go. We can do this. Come on. So, yan na, guys. Ito yung waterfalls nila. Mula dyan, mula dito. Meron pa din sa taas at pinakataas pa. So, ayun. 360 degree. Wow. Tingnan nyo, oh. Wow. So beautiful. What are you doing there? Let's go. Look at them. Come on. Are you okay?
Okay.
So we must climb over there at the top of this. And look at this. Grabe. Konti lang dadaanan mo, by the way. Wow. So, yun na, guys. Ayun na yun, nasa baba na. See? Oh. Ayun na. Nandito na kami sa pinakataas. Tutok-tok. So, ito na siya guys. Ito na yung dapat naming puntahan. Napakaganda actually. Ito siya, 360. So, ito na po yung pangatlo naming destination, yung lake. So, di ba first, pumunta kami sa mosque. And then, yung beautiful na falls nila. And then, here is the lake part. So, ito yung pangatlo naming destination. Resort? Restoration. Restaurant. No, restaurant. Diyos ko. Kasi nga, bigla akong ginising. Nandito na kami sa, lake. Ano lang pala siya. Mga 10 minutes away from that falls. Waterfalls. So, there you go, guys. This is the lake. It's the lake. So we're going there. Ayan po yung lake nila, guys. So there you go. I am here now at the lake. So sorry. So ayan, guys. Actually, napaka-clear niya, guys. So kasi nakakatakot siya, guys. Yung alam niyo, yung parang may nag-shooting dito na yung horror. Yung tingnan nyo ha. Ayan o, as you can see, makikita mo yung mga lumot-lumot, yung mga oh my god, so creepy. But anyway, there you go, this is the lake. It's very, malaki. Sobrang laki ng lake.
I think you can see the continent properly.
So there you go. Kakatakot, guys. Very creepy. Kasi nga, dark yung sa ilalim. Hindi mo alam kung baka may shokoy or something. Kaso ito dapat, well anyway, relaxing naman din siya. So sakay-sakay lang tayo dito. Oh! Sumakay ako, Diyos ko, lumulog pa. Umaano pala siya. So ayan na siya. Ito yung place. Very beautiful place. So, pwede ka pumunta dyan. Doon. Tapos may building doon. Wow. Relaxing actually. Tapos may mga restaurant dito. Ang cute yung pwede ka kumain dito. Plastic lang pala siya, guys. Pero ang cute niya tingnan. Ayun na, nakahilera siyang paganyan. Diba? Perfect spot. Love it. Ito siya, guys. Yung cable car na yan, pupunta kami doon sa pinakadulo. Kita nyo yan? Tapos may ganyan din, oh. Ito siya, yung paligid niya. Wow, napakaganda, guys. Look at this. 360 degree. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you, Lord. Ganda, guys. Ayun pa, oh. Yung cable car na yan, papunta dun, oh. Wow. So beautiful. Yeah.
Because I've been this kind of
One
places.
ticket. One ticket.
Okay.
You have 1 hour.
It's like, see here, cash is there.
Yeah.
I wanna eat something. I have a good cash.
Okay.
So there you go guys, papasok na kami. You're sitting there. It's okay. It's okay.
You can make whatever you want to make.
Wow, it's beautiful.
This one is very beautiful. That's why that day, like, if somebody comes, it's not good.
Yeah,
You feel
exactly.
very uncomfortable. You
Yeah.
can take, you know. When I
That's
also.
why we need to take this opportunity.
Oh my god, damn it.
Anyway, let's enjoy this. Wow.
Exactly.
It's very beautiful. Oh my goodness.
You not felt on, right?
What if you feel Oh my god, nakakatakot guys. Grabe. Tapos, is this open? Oh my god.
You're a good blogger, you know?
Can I open this?
Oh my god. Dude, you're making me scared.
Oh my god. Look at that. Oh.
I look like a bhutani.
Wow. It's very beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness.
I never been this.
Really? In Shagdag there's seems like cable car but it's open.
Yeah, I know,
It's
I know.
okay.
Yeah.
You've been there to Shagdag?
Yeah, I know. Many
And
people.
coaster also. It's
Yeah.
very scary.
I know. No, I never been. But here,
I've been there but I enjoyed a lot so much.
I can see that you
Yeah.
enjoyed a lot, dude.
Of course.
Alone, actually.
I like these things.
Really? Actually, you like to be alone, I guess. Sometimes I feel.
Not really. This is the first time to be alone actually. Most of the time I went with my friends.
Wow, you have friends?
We need to
He
take
said,
the-
like, you know, he will give you hot chocolate and for me black coffee. Let's see. Who will go. Otherwise, we will
let's
not.
see.
I'm not going to pay you. Okay?
Yeah. Exactly. So look at that, guys. We're here, the cable car. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. But it's not actually so high compared to other cable car. You know, some cable car it's too high from the.
I like how you're blogging.
I love vlogging a lot. So look at this. There's the other cable car there. Oh, look at that.
He's going alone.
Yeah, he's alone. I hope we were there.
Yeah. To give company.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yupa. Should move is fine. Over. If I see it
you
down,
can,
I'll
you
go
can
back.
move and you can make like.
Dude, you're making me very scared, you know? So
Don't be scared. Wow, ganda. So beautiful. Hi, how are you? What are you doing here? What is this? It's I can eat. So beautiful. My local na bata dito, guys. How much is this? Wow.
what to do? Let's take one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Look! Oh no! Oh my god, it's so scary. This. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wow! This is amazing. Nakakatakot siya, guys. Yung paano. Siguro pagpabagsak na to, mas nakakatakot pa siya. Grabe, ang ganda ng scenario dito. Oh. Wow. Tingnan nyo naman, guys, kung gaano kaganda. Oh my God, look at this. guys, mag-i-enjoy na lang tayo dito. Tingnan nyo naman. Kaya, kailangan pumunta kayo dito para maranasan nyo to. Diyos ko, ang ganda na. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Diyos ko. Hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anumang salapi. Oh my God, it's shaking again. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, grabe. Look at that, guys. Pwede kayo sumakay dyan for 20 manat. Ganda. So beautiful. I'm freezing. Hindi ako nag-gloves dito sa kabila kasi nga nagvi-video ako, so hindi kasi nape-press kapag may gloves. So, kailangan ito walang gloves. Pero really, I'm freezing. Kasi tingnan naman, oh, may mga yellow doon or snow sa tuktok ng bundok. So, ayun siya. Diba? It's very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. It's so good. So nice. Look at that, guys. Diyos ko, bangin na po siya, oh. Tapos salamin lang siya. Oh my God. Tingnan mo. May nagpipicture-picture pa din, pero Diyos ko, hindi ko... Diyos ko, nakakatakot, guys. Ayun na. Nakakatakot siya. Oh my God. Hindi ko kaya. Ano? I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh no. Ano, hindi ko talaga kaya. I'm scared. Can you go there? You're not afraid for heights? You're not afraid for the heights? See, look at that.
Do that?
Yeah, I want.
No, I will die, but I will not do that.
I will not do that. Oh my God. I cannot go there though. It's so fucking crazy. Oh my God. Okay, I wanna hold here. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, humahawak ako kasi nga natatakot ako. Oh my God, so bangin. I cannot go there. I cannot go there. I'm scared. I can't go there. So at least my viewers see this kind of beautiful view from here. But I'm so sorry. I will try. Okay, I'm gonna try. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh. Giatay. Grabe man yung shock. Uy. Nakakatakot. Dito lang ako, guys.
No, they are going.
Yeah, 3% at a time. Ang ganda, grabe. Ang ganda ng sunset. Ito, magsa-sunset yan mamaya. Super ganda, grabe. So look at Guys, hindi ko talaga kaya pumunta dun sa glass. Dun sa pinakadulo. Natatakot ako. Baka bumagsak. Diyos ko, tingnan niyo naman. Walang ano. Nakalambitin lang siya dyan. I'm so sorry. Yung takot ko talaga sa heights. Okay, it's playing now. Just like that. Okay. Hi, I am here now in Shagdag. Just kidding. What place is it? Tufandag. Tufandag. There you go. Come here. It's Tufandag. Welcome to Tufandag. Dubai to Tufandag. Oh, she's gone there. Baby, come on. Look at the place. Wow, it's very beautiful. Look at that. It's very nice place. Why you're afraid? Wow. Okay, bye. To Fandag. Very nice place. Maganda daw dito guys pag snowing. But now, oh my God, I'm already freezing. Kahit na walang snow dito guys, freeze na ako. Let's go some coffee! Woo! Let's go some party! Ganda guys! Grabe! Ang saya. There you go guys! Thank you so much for watching! At isang vlog-vlogan na naman pong nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nag-watch at sa mga sumuporta. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin po ang notification bell below para po ma-notify po kayo kapag meron po akong vlog-vlogang magaganap. Have fun and make your own happiness. Bye! Mwah!